how to log in with Discord token. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to log into Discord with your Discord token. Alright, so let's begin. First, go to discord.com using Google Chrome or Firefox. This can't be done on the app. Make sure you're on the login screen. Click the three dots at the top right, hover over More Tools and select Developer Tools. In the new window, click on Application at the top. If you don't see it, click the arrow for more options, then select Application. On the left, under Storage, click Local Storage and then discord.com. Scroll down to the first empty space, type token in the first box and paste your Discord token in the second box. Make sure the token is within quotation marks. Reload the page and you'll be logged into your account. So that's basically how you can log into Discord using your token. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.